guys, Glenn here, and I'm super excited to be recording this video because I've just been down to my mailbox, literally just now, the mailbox of the apartment block that I live in, and I've just picked up a check. Now this check is from, I hope and I believe it is, from one of the companies, one of the products we're promoting with the recurring profit machine. And the reason why I want to shoot this video is to show you the kind of money you can be making with the products you promote with the recurring profit machine, but also proof that you can do this anywhere in the world. Doesn't matter whether you're in the US, UK, Canada, Asia, Africa. You can promote recurring products with our Done For You website, with our Done For You system, and you can receive checks in the mail. You can receive affiliate commissions into your bank, whatever it is. But as you can see here, I just want to show you, this is a check from the United States. Trying to get it on the screen. You can see the postage stamp there in the corner. It's from the United States. And I'm obviously in the UK. So I've promoted a product in US dollars, and I've received this check in to the UK. And I thought I'd open this live on screen to show you this is live income proof. And obviously I'm going to be going to my bank shortly to actually be cashing this in. So let's just open this up. As I said, this is a product which you can promote with the recurring profit machine. It's actually one of our Done For You products we've got on our Done For You website. So I'm going to open this right now to show you the kind of money which can be made and which you can make as well. So let's just open this up. Opening it up right now, guys. So I'm gonna try and blur my address out, of course, for privacy reasons. So there we go, guys. That is $315. I hope you can see that. And that is obviously addressed to me. You'll be able to see that there. I am Glenn. So $315. And that is actually from ClickFunnels. So you may have heard of ClickFunnels. It's one of the products you can promote with the recurring profit machine. And ClickFunnels, it's free to be an affiliate. You don't have to pay to be an affiliate. You don't have to be a member to be an affiliate. You can literally sign up to be an affiliate. And as I said, with our Done For You website for the recurring profit machine, you can add ClickFunnels to your website if you want to promote it. It's obviously just optional. But I just want to show you that is proof that money can be made with our website, with our system, and that is 315 bucks straight that's going to be into my bank account soon. Like I said, if there are some offers that you can't get into your bank account, you can always accept checks in the mail, and you can go into the to your bank and pay it in by check. So that is live proof, guys. I've just collected that check today. I've opened it live on camera. That's from ClickFunnels. That's just one offer you can promote. So recurring profit machine works, and like I said, it's a Done For You website with a great selection of recurring monthly commissions. And you know, I'm receiving these checks every single month from various companies.